How to force restart a MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To force restart your MacBook, follow these steps. Method 1, you can use keyboard shortcuts. To do that, press and hold the Control key plus the Command key plus the power button, which is your Touch ID or the power button, until the screen goes black. Wait a few seconds and then press the power button again to turn the MacBook back on. Method 2 is to hard shut down and restart. So to do that, press and hold the power or the Touch ID button for about 10 seconds until your MacBook turns off. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to restart. And method 3 is to force quit and restart if apps freeze. To do that, try pressing Command plus Option plus Escape keys to open the force quit application window. Select the unresponsive app and tap on the force quit button before restarting normally. This should help if your Mac is frozen or unresponsive. So this is how you can force restart a MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.